Hi, welcome back to Lab 4. In this lab we will explore the concept of a latch using a relay and calculate the Thevenin voltage and resistance at two specific points in the circuit. Thevenin measurement. Now you can see the resistance measurement between selected 2 points is 507 ohm. Now, let's focus on voltage measurements using the multimeter. As we toggle the latch, you will notice the voltage changing. This demonstrates the direct influence of the latch's engagement on the voltage levels within the circuit. Pay close attention to the multimeter readings to observe these voltage fluctuations. It provides a clear demonstration of the latch's impact on the circuit's electrical signals. Thank you for watching.